The long-awaited Navi Mumbai International Airport officially commenced commercial operations on Thursday, marking a major milestone for India's civil aviation sector and promising to transform air travel in the Mumbai metropolitan region. The first flight, operated by Indigo from Bengaluru, landed at the airport at 8 a.m. on Thursday. Travelers shared their excitement at being part of the inaugural flight.
I've been staying in Panvel for the last 30 years, and I didn't want to miss this historic moment of landing on the first flight in Navi Mumbai airport. So I booked the flight for the first flight from Delhi to Navi Mumbai. I booked.
आज का दिन का हम वेट कर रहे थे, तो मैंने यहाँ से स्पेशली कल मैं बंगलौर गया ताकि जब मैं पहली फ़्लाइट पकड़ के अपने इस शहर के अंदर उतर सकूं, और ये इंडिया का बताया जाता है कि सबसे बड़ा हवाई अड्डा बनेगा, और हमारे न्यू मुंबई वालों के लिए इससे बड़ी खुशी की कोई बात नहीं है। इससे बड़ी बात नहीं हो सकती है कोई भी।
Passengers said the airport will significantly reduce long commutes to and from Mumbai, particularly for residents of Navi Mumbai and surrounding areas.
ये जो अभी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट जो हुआ है, उससे लोगों का जो मुंबई जाने का जो ट्रैवल हो जाएगा वो बहुत सारा बच जाएगा, बहुत सारा तकलीफ उनके दूर हो जाएंगे और उनको इजीली यहाँ ट्रैवलिंग के लिए इजीली सोर्सेस मिल जाएंगे.
Right now I could not see all the amenities, but looking at the infrastructure I can say that it is top notch and at par with any kind of an international airport.
The Navi Mumbai International Airport will initially operate for 12 hours daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. To begin with, 24 flights to 13 destinations will operate from the airport every day. It has the capacity to handle 10 aircraft movements per hour. The first phase features one runway and one terminal capable of serving 20 million passengers annually. Once all 5 phases are completed, the airport is expected to handle 90 million passengers a year with dedicated cargo facilities and seamless connections to other modes of transport. Developed by Navi Mumbai International Airport Limited, with the Adani Group holding a 74% stake and the state-run City and Industrial Development Corporation of Maharashtra holding 26%, the airport aims to reduce congestion at Mumbai's current airport and improve travel across the metropolitan region.